Hey everyone, happy Monday. I'm Peter, the Argo CEO, and I'm super excited to tell you about an RNS that we just put out this morning, a press release that we just put out this morning about an agreement that we have signed with a priority supply and collaboration agreement with a company that we have signed with a company called ePIC Blockchain. ePIC Blockchain is a company based here in the Great White North in Canada, and it's run by some guys who are best described as kind of Canadian technology legends. They the three of them, Henry Kwan, Jim Cito, and Earl Mai, they met back in the day at a company called ATI, and essentially took that company from nothing into something, sold it to AMD, which is obviously a big name in tech, and have since gone on, and the three of them have worked variously with Sony, with Qualcomm, with Microsoft, with really some of the biggest names in technology. A few years ago they came together again and have started working on a ASIC mining company and have been building ASIC mining machines. We have signed on as a partner. We're going to run the machines. We're going to be their number one fan, obviously, but also their number one client, and have these machines at our facilities. And Perry is going to work very closely with them to kind of add some special features and custom design them to our specifications. So we've put $8 million down as part of this agreement, and we'll be getting our first shipment from them in the fourth quarter of this year, and then at the early fourth quarter of this year. And then we'll be able to get a large amount of machines, and a good amount of machines in the fourth quarter, but then a kind of a larger scale even in 2022. Obviously in this business, and I've said this many times, you want to be as close as you can to two things. The two things that are difficult about it are access to power. We announced not long ago that we've got this property we're going to be developing in Texas, and access to machines, access to rigs at a reasonable price that are machines that are profitable. So these machines that we're going to be getting from ePIC, we're expecting to be really profitable, really good mining rigs. And to have an opportunity to use our technology and our experience to develop them and co-develop them and be able to collaborate, that's kind of important as well. The other thing that's great about this deal is that we're going to be hosting some machines from ePIC for R&D purposes, so we'll be able to kind of, again, get close to the machines, work with them to figure out what's working, how we can make machines better in the future, because obviously there's lots of innovation that's happening, and these guys are really innovative. They're very smart. I've talked a lot about how smart Perry is. I think there's been a real nice melding of minds over the last few weeks that we've been talking about this deal. So I'm super excited to announce it. I think it shows that we're really kind of thinking vertical integration as much as we can. The ability to get close to power, the ability to get close to machines is great. And it's also nice to be working with Canadians. We love our UK shareholders, we love our American friends, but it's also nice to have some folks 4 or 5 hours down the highway from here in the land of the Toronto Raptors to be working with and building great technology. So that's it. If you have any questions, we'll do a Q&A soon. There's lots of moving parts these days, but that's the update, and have a great week, everyone.